Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we will solve some questions on fractions. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrade.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. And if you like this video, then please click the like button. Now we will solve question number 1. Give 2 examples for each proper fraction. We know proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. So examples of proper fractions are 1 divided by 2. Here numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. And numerator 1 is less than 2. So this is an example of proper fraction. Now 3 divided by 5. This is also examples of a proper fraction because numerator 3 is less than the denominator 5. So examples of proper fractions are 1 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 5. Now question number second bit B. Improper fraction. Give 2 examples for each improper fraction. We know improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is more than the denominator. So examples of improper fraction is 3, 5 divided by 3. Here numerator is 5 and denominator is 5 and 5 numerator 5 is more than the denominator 5. So this is an example of improper fraction. So second example of improper fraction. So suppose numerator is 7 and denominator is 2. Here numerator 7 is more than the denominator 2. So this is also an example of improper fraction. So two examples of improper fractions are 5 divided by 3 and 7 divided by 2. Now question number third bit C. Give 2 examples of mixed fraction. We know mixed fraction is the combination of natural number and the proper fraction. Suppose natural number is 2 and proper fraction is 3 divided by 5. This is a mixed fraction because 2 is a natural number and 3 divided by 5 is a proper fraction. So mixed fraction is the combination of natural number and the proper fraction. 2 is the natural number and 3 divided by 5 is the proper fraction. Now second example is, suppose 5 is the natural number and 7 divided by 9 is the proper fraction. So 5, 7 divided by 9 is an example of mixed fraction. So two examples of mixed fractions are 2, 3 divided by 5, where 2 is natural number and 3 divided by 5 is a proper fraction, and 5, 7 divided by 9, where 5 is the natural number and 7 divided by 9 is a proper fraction. Now question number fourth bit D. Unit fraction. Give 2 examples of unit fraction. We know unit fraction whose numerator is 1 and the denominator is any positive integer. So 1 divided by 2. This is a unit fraction because here numerator is 1, and denominator is 2. Denominator is any positive integer. And 1 divided by 9. This is a unit fraction because numerator is 1 and denominator is 9, which is a positive integer. So two examples of unit fractions are 1 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 9, where numerator is 1 and denominators are any positive integers. Now question number 2, convert the following mixed fraction into improper fraction. First bit A, 1 3 divided by 4. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 1 3 divided by 4 is a mixed fraction because 1 is a natural number and 3 divided by 4 is a proper fraction whose numerator is 3, which is less than the denominator 4. So when we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, multiply the denominator with the natural number plus numerator divided by the denominator. So here denominator is 1, denominator is 4, 4 multiplied with the natural number 1, that is whole number 1, plus numerator 3 divided by denominator 4. So 4 multiplied with 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 divided by 4, and 7 divided by 4 is an improper fraction whose numerator is 7 and denominator is 4. 7 is more than the denominator 4. So converting mixed fraction 1 3 divided by 4 into improper fraction, that is 7 divided by 4. 7 divided by 4 is an improper fraction. Now question number second bit B, 2 5 divided by 8. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. When we convert mixed fraction into improper fraction, just multiply the denominator with the natural number, that is whole number, then add the numerator divided by the denominator. So here denominator is 8. So 8 multiplied with the whole number, that is natural number 2, then add with the numerator 5 divided by the denominator 8. So 8 multiplied with 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 divided by 8. And 21 divided by 8 is an improper fraction whose numerator 21 is more than the denominator 8. So converting 2 5 divided by 8, this is the mixed fraction, into improper fraction, we got 21 divided by 8, and 21 divided by 8 is an improper fraction. Now question number 3, convert the following improper fraction into mixed fraction. In question number 2 we solve converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, but here in question number 3 we have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. First bit A, 14 divided by 5. Here 14 divided by 5 is an improper fraction because the numerator is 14, which is more than the denominator 5. 14 is more than 5, so this is a improper fraction. When we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, first divide this numerator with the denominator. Now 14 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. 5 in the table 5 1 ja 5, and remainder is 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, which is more than the 14, so 5 2 ja 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. Now remainder is 4. Quotient is 2. This is quotient. 4 is the remainder and 5 is the divisor and 14 is the dividend. Now when we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, then mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by the divisor. So quotient is 2, remainder is 4, divided by the divisor is 5. So 2, 4 divided by 5 is the mixed fraction. So converting improper fraction 14 divided by 5 into mixed fraction, we will get 2, 4 divided by 5. So now 14, 5 divided by 5 is 2, 4 divided by 5. Now question number second bit B, 31 divided by 7. We have to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. We have given improper fraction 31 divided by 7. We have to convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Here 31 is numerator and denominator is 7. Numerator is more than the denominator. This is an improper fraction. So when we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, just divide the denominator with the numerator. Now 31 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. Now 7, in the table of 7, 7 4s are 28 and 31 minus 28 is 3. Now 4 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder and 7 is the divisor. 31 is the dividend. Now when we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, so mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by divisor. Here quotient is 4, remainder is 3, divisor is 7. So 4, 3 divided by 7, where 4 is the natural number and 3 divided by 7 is the proper fraction. So mixed fraction, so 31 divided by 7, converting this 31 divided by 7 into mixed fraction is 4, 3 divided by 7. And 4, 3 divided by 7 is a mixed fraction where 4 is the natural number and 3 divided by 7 is a proper fraction. So when we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, just divide the denominator with the numerator like the division method, that is dividend and divisor. We will get the quotient and the remainder, and the mixed fraction will be quotient remainder divided by the divisor. This is the mixed fraction. So when we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, just divide the denominator with the numerator like the division method, and the mixed fraction is quotient remainder divided by the divisor. So 31 divided by 7 is 4, 3 divided by 7. Now question number 4, write the missing numbers in the following equivalent fraction. We have given equivalent fraction and we have to find the missing numbers in this given equivalent fraction. First bit A, 5 divided by 6 is equal to 15 divided by dash. We have to find the denominator, and here numerator is missing, dash divided by 48. So equivalent fraction is when we multiply a numerator and the denominator with the same number, will get the fraction, that is the equivalent fraction of that fraction. So here 5 divided by 6 and the numerator is given 15. So we know in the table 5, if we multiply 5 with 3, we will get 15, which is the numerator given. So we have to multiply the same number 3 with the denominator 6. Now we will get 6 multiplied with 3 is 18. Now 15 divided by 18 is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 6. So the missing denominator is 18. This is 18. Now 5 divided by 6. Here the denominator is given is 48. So in the table of 6, if we multiply 6 with 8, we will get 48. So we have to multiply the same number 8 with the numerator 5. Now 5 multiplied with 8 is 40. Now 40 divided by 48 is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 6. Now the missing numerator is 40. So 5 divided by 6 is equal to 15 divided by 18, which is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 6, and 5 divided by 6 is equal to 40 divided by 48, and 40 divided by 48 is the equivalent fraction of 5 divided by 6. So missing numbers are, the denominator is 18 and missing numerator is 40. Now question number 4, second bit. B. 54 divided by 36 is equal to dash, numerator is missing, divided by the denominator 12, equal to 108, 108 divided by denominator is missing. Here 54 divided by 36 equal to 12. Here denominator is 12 and here denominator is 36. Which number we have to divide or multiply with the denominator 36? We will get 12. 36, if we divide 36 with 3, we will get 12. So we have to multiply the numerator 54 with the same number 3. Now 54 divided by 3 is 18. Now 18 divided by 12. This is the equivalent fraction of 54 divided by 36. So missing numerator is 18. This is 18. Now 108 divided by the missing denominator. We have to find the missing denominator. Now 54 divided by 36. Numerator is 108 divided by which? In the here numerator is 54 and here numerator is 108. Which number we have to multiply or the divide with 54? We will get 108. If we multiply 54 with 2, we will get 108. 2 5 are 10 and 2 4 are 8. So we have to multiply the denominator 36 with the same number 2. Now 36 multiplied with 2 is 72. So 108 divided by 72. So the missing denominator is 72. If we multiply 18, here multiply 18 with 6, 18 divided by 12. If we multiply 18 with 6 is 108. So multiply 12 with 6 is 72. 102 divided by 72. This is 12 divided by 12. 18 divided by 12. So this is also correct. So the missing numerator is 18 and the missing denominator is 72. So when we convert a fraction into equivalent fraction, just multiply, just find out the LCM and equal to the denominator with the LCM and multiply the same number with both the numerator and the denominator. Then the fraction that we will get, that is the equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Now question number 5, check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. First bit is 32 divided by 12 and 56 divided by 21. 32 divided by 12. Here numerator is 32 and denominator is 12. Here common factor is If we divide 32 and 12 with 4, 32 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32 and 4 3s are 12. 8 divided by 3 is the equivalent fraction of 32 divided by 12. Now 56 divided by 21. Here between 56 and 21 the common factor is 7. So divide the numerator and denominator with 7. Numerator 56 divided by 7 and denominator 21 divided by 7. 56 divided by 7 is 8 and 21 divided by 7 is 3. 8 divided by 3. Now 8 divided by 3, both have 32 divided by 12 is also 8 divided by 3 and 56 divided by 21 is 8 divided by 3. So both are equivalent fraction. Yes, equivalent fraction. So 32 divided by 12 is equal to 56 divided by 21. Both are equivalent fraction. 32 divided by 12 is equal to 56 divided by 21. Both are equivalent fraction. Now question number second bit B. 24 divided by 10 and 72 divided by 25. So 24 divided by 10. 72 divided by 25. Here numerator is 24 and here numerator is 72. So which number will multiply with the numerator 24? We will get 72. If we multiply 24 with 3, we will get 72. So we have to multiply the same number 3 with the denominator 10. 10 multiplied with 3 is 30. But here this is 25 is given. So this is not equivalent fraction. Here 72. This is 72 divided by 30, which is not equal to 72 divided by 25. Here 25 denominator is 25 given, but here we will get 10 multiplied with 3. We got 30, which is not equal with the denominator 25. 30 not equal to 25. So these two fractions are not equivalent. Are not equivalent. So 24 divided by 10 is not equal to 72 divided by 25. These are not equivalent fraction. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.